Fiona?
Making Valentine cards for my classmates and my teacher.
Okay, show it to me.
How about me?
Wow, beautiful.
I'm doing it by myself.
Mm.
If there's no
What are you putting in your card?
candy.
It's lollipop, heart lollipop,
I
huh?
like to taste it.
Okay. Show it to me how you make it or how you put that in your card.
I put it with
Okay?
I put
Okay.
it with tape.
Mm-hmm.
Yung pink, Ariel.
No, I like the red.
No, I like the pink.
Oh.
Be careful.
I like the pink. I'm gonna be careful. I like pink.
Ayan
Kitty.
pa,
Oopsie.
pink.
Oh, there's a little pink.
Hayaan mo lang, hayaan mo lang.
Wow, beautiful.
They're for my classmates. And
Okay.
I'm gonna make one tomorrow for my family.
Good.
Oopsie.
Who's your family?
Mommy and Daddy and Ariel and me, Tita Faye.
Mommy and Ariel too are busy. Can you show to us, Ariel, what are you doing?
I'm doing the
Tama na, ito naman.
stickers. Then I'm doing
Helping.
Mommy.
Helping Mom.
You're helping Mommy? Of
Yeah.
what? Show. Look at the camera. Come on.
Of the stickers.
Stickers. Okay. You're making what? Valentine's card for your classmates, right? Look in the camera.
Two.
Okay. Bless you. Wow, beautiful, Ate.
That was a big.
Did you make all of that?
Yes.
Alis ka
Good
muna dyan.
job.
Okay, dyan ako. Okay, ano yun?